My name is Eben Wilson. I'm the project leader of a project called SkyHopper. What we've decided to do is to try and build a mid-mass industrial drone, correctly called an unmanned aerial system. What we've done is decided to go for a design that is tri-fan. That means it's got two front large fans and one at the rear that's a stabilizing flight control fan. One feature of the design is that we have a cargo module that's detachable. So we consider this vehicle to be possibly only one vehicle that might have 10 or 20 cargo modules. So what we're trying to get is a system that will deliver scientific evidence collection or delivery of equipment, or will deliver people's lunch in the Arctic if they wanted. The thing is to allow us to act as engineers and innovate towards multiple solutions. Now the way to do that is to collaborate, is to work intellectually on paper first of all, what we call wetware, then we develop that into a mission. The idea is that a scientist can come to us and say, I have this equipment, can you power it, can you put a computer with it, can you put the sensors on it? And they can do that in their lab if they want, we just have to check it for safety. We need to be able to drive these machines as fast and as often as we can with lots of sorties, otherwise they don't make commercial sense. So our interest is in trying to get this device to be being used lots of times with as little servicing as we can manage, plus making revenue out of it. That's quite a challenge, but we think we can do that step by step by getting better and better at our capabilities. At the moment, this is a structures and engineering demonstrator. That means it's something ready to manufacture. It's not something that will fly now. We have, over this winter, we're going to do an electronics and electrical demonstrator, which puts all the software into the system. And that's the point, it's a system. And it's an integrated system, not about hardware. It's an integrated system about hardware, software, firmware, and customers. And the customers' outcomes are what really matter, because we have to find a way of making revenue from this. This is a private venture where we use universities and colleges as problem solvers. And one of the set of problem solvers are the marine biologists we're talking to. And we'd love people to talk to us. We want them to come to us and say, have you thought about this? And we would say, well, what does it mean? What's the flight duration? What's the mass? Then we can gradually work towards industrialization of evidence collection or deliveries or anything else we work up that might be useful to use one of these for. That's where we've got to go. Go to our website, contact us, just get hold of us and let us start talking to you. We are the engineers.